What's up guys, this is Drive With Me with another video, and this video is kind of effect with the isolation and locked up in a corona time in Los Angeles and this virus. But you know, my creative mind find out there is a city called Corona in California, and I jump on my car and start driving, which is kind of 1.5 hours far from where I live. Corona City, guys, it's not coronavirus. I just wanna distract you with this whole like Corona and COVID-19 and virus, and especially in these times, I wanna give you a tour to Corona City. Corona City in California is part of Riverside County, and has like around 200,000 people. It's quite a big city, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I don't know how people feel right now because of this coronavirus. So Corona City and Corona people, we wish you best. If you're watching this video, we don't hate you because of coronavirus. Actually, I find out there is few city in USA called Corona. One is in New Mexico, another is South Carolina, and hope Corona cities in USA don't be ashamed. We love you, and that's why I'm going to drive my subscribers and my viewers and YouTube in your city to just get out of this mind of virus, and they find out your beautiful city. Thank you guys, and let's go and drive Corona time and Corona City. Thank you guys. Guys, if you see this old houses in the mountain, is Corona City. So you see there is no virus there. There is a city called Corona, and people lives here actually, not viruses. Welcome to Corona, guys. kind of industrial part of the city. As I told you, this is a big city, guys, and I don't know how people feel here. So weird. It's kind of city of Corona. Guys, this city is dead. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you see the real Corona city, not coronavirus. And this is city in California, and hope to see you again. Thank you guys. See you later.